Good morning, students. Yesterday I do the correction work of your notebooks. I found that you have made many mistakes. Generally, the student who have opted the basic math, till now they have don't idea of the basics of quadratic equation. It means they could not able to identify the particular value of ABC in a given equation. That's why they could not able to find the nature of the roots. And some students who have opted standard maths, they are unable to convert a condition in quadratic equation. Today we will discuss the same in this video. Students, I think that all these problems are related to CBSE board. I think that in future you will sure benefited and you will get a good marks if such type question will be asked in your board. So I think that without any delay you will repeat it and develop your confidence and you will do it within the time. Thank you.
Let's see how can we check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Student, you have to find the degree of the equation. If it is of degree 2, then it is quadratic, otherwise it is not quadratic. Let us check it. First part, you see x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times x minus 2. This is equal to, use here identity which I have told you in class 9th. Square of a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now similarly you see x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 2. You see this is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. This is equal to 2x. In right hand side you see 2 is multiplied by x minus 2. This is 2x minus 4. Now take the 2x minus 4 in left hand side. This is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. This 2x is cancelled by minus 2x and 1 and 4. This is equal to 5. X square plus 5 equal to 0. You see, we can write in this way: x square plus 0x plus 5 equal to 0. Now compare it with the standard equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing with standard equation, you see a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 5. You see a is not equal to 0 and the degree of highest degree this is equal to 2. So you can say that this is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now you see in second part is x minus 1 into x plus 3. This is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 1. Now multiply it. X is multiplied by x plus 3. Again minus involved is multiplied by x plus 3. This is equal to x in right hand side. This is equal to x into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1. Again you see this is equal to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. You see 3x minus x, this is equal to plus 2x minus 3. This is equal to x square 2x minus 2x, and this is plus x. This is equal to minus x minus 2. You see x square, these terms can be taken in left hand side. This will become x square plus 2x minus 3 minus x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Now you see there is plus x square, here is minus x square. This will be cancelled by this. Again 2x plus x, this is equal to 3x, and minus 3 plus 2, this is equal to minus 1 equal to 0. Here you see 3x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 3. You see, if you compare this equation by ax, comparing by ax plus by, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you can say a is equal to 0, b equal to 1, and c equal to minus 1 by 3, because this x is equal to 1 by 3 can be written in this way: 0x square plus x minus 1 by 3 equal to 0. So you see here a is equal to 0, but you have studied that a should not be equal to 0. So this is not a quadratic equation. And here you see the highest degree of this x is only 1. This equation is only 1. So this is not quadratic. Okay. So this is not quadratic. Okay. Thanks.